of the problems is rebuilding these motors on these ABS units, and on the what they call a ATE MK61, they actually crimp these motors into place, and so it's very hard to actually open it up. So we actually had to develop a program where we have a CNC machine which first of all mills away those crimps so we can pull the motor off, but then it drills 4 holes and then it taps 4 times. So watch this, how quick it does it, and it goes and automatically changes the tools and everything. So
you'll pick up the tool.
Right now it's changing the tool for the milling head, I think. Yeah.
So it's drilling the pilot holes for the...
Yep, for the screws that we want to put in later to lock it in. We've seen people do some pretty crude ways of holding the motor back in after they've pulled the motor off, but we looked at for quite some time trying to work out what's a sure method of making sure that that motor is going to sit properly and hard on the seat without ever coming loose again.
Yeah.
Once you pull away that material that as it flanged over, you can't really
put it back and stake it or anything. Yeah.
Centre punches and try and sort of find a bit of meat to push over it again, but with an ABS here, you don't want to be mucking around.
Safety critical. And what does a machine like this cost?
Well, look, with all the setting up and whatever, it's probably well over $50,000.
Wow. So will it now cut the threads?
It's already done.
Already done? Yeah. Wow.